The first of these two patterns is called bullish kicking, which is a very straightforward pattern. The bullish kicking consists in a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle. The main characteristic of this pattern is that there is a prominent gap up between the two candles. The logical interpretation here is that a large gap up implies a high amount of buying pressure. The pattern receives this name because it is as if someone kicked the second candle up, hence the expression bullish kicking. The bullish kicking pattern appears when price is going down in order to signal a reversal to the upside. The other kicking pattern is the bearish kicking, which is the mirror image of the bullish kicking. In the bearish version, the first candle is bullish and the second candle is bearish. The two candles are separated by a prominent gap down that implies high selling pressure. In other words, the fact that the price opened with a large gap down implies that sellers have a lot more power than buyers. The bearish kicking pattern appears when the price is going up in order to signal a reversal to the downside. Now we'll move on to the last two complex reversal patterns that are formed by two candles. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please consider, if you like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos.